Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullying RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Got another video for you today on a brand new 2025 Forest River Wolf Pup 16KHW. Stats are going to pop up on the screen. We're going to get you on the outside, show you some of the features, get you on the inside, show you some of the features as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Help Bullying get to 20,000 subscribers. And let's get started. So like I said, it's a 2025. There's our single 20-pound propane tank, and then we do have a spot for the battery along the back over here. Propane and battery, or propane is filled, battery is installed at the time of delivery. Got our nice rock guard here. Side profile. Single slide. So we're gonna have our hot water heater and outdoor shower, and actually dry weight of 4,025 pounds if the GoPro can pick that up. Looks like it can. Fresh and city water connection. Quick drop stabilizer jacks. Good look at the underbelly here. We do have an enclosed underbelly. Coming down the side. Get a shot of the windows, that Cherokee Wolf Pup logo, and we got some nice meaty all-terrain tires, which I really like. Little light on the outside, wastewater sewer outlet connection here. Coming around to the back, try to get that slide in there too. Spare tire on the back, lip ladder attachment up there, backup camera right here. Other side. And you'll see we got this nice little mini fridge. Plenty of beer space in there. Let me know your favorite beer in the comment section below. Nice power awning, and if you can see, barely, we got a nice blue LED strip that goes underneath the awning there. Leash latch for the pets. Nice spot for our outdoor TV setup. Speakers on the outside, and you can kind of see the blue LED in there as well. Furnace right below. I'll take another step back, get a look at the windows. Coming on down. Nice solid steps to get in. Nice grab handle right there. And we'll get a look at some of the pass-through storage. Power cord right here. We do have our 30 amp solar charge controller off to the right. And then actually, so you got a lot of room right here, and actually right inside here, the bed lifts up so you can store from the bed into this little pass-through here, just in case it's raining outside and you want to get something down here, or vice versa, store through in here and get it underneath the bed. Moving on to the inside. And there's that fire extinguisher for your safety. I'm going to start off, this is a smaller unit, so I'm going to start off with the bed. I'm going to take a couple of steps back. Nice queen bed. So we do have, I believe that's our 60 by 80. Air conditioning up above. Enhanced sound system right up above my head, the driven sound system. Nice large exit window with your TV mount right there and your hookups right above. Smoke detector. Look at that blue LED light for that speaker. Lots of device charging. Deep storage pocket for clothes. Or storage cabinet for clothes, I should say. And this cupboard will run all the way through. And I really like, I like these storage cubes a lot, just for, you know, even if it's board games or knickknacks, they give you quite a few. There's a few more underneath the bed, which I'll show you here in a second. More clothes storage there. And like I said, doing this with one hand here, there we go. So you can kind of see the light from the outside there. So now I'm storing something from the bed all the way through to my pass-through storage. Storage cubes. And look at that, more storage cubes there. Nice outlet on the side. I'm going to turn around with my back facing the bed, and we'll get a look of the rest of the unit here. Here's our slide. Large U-shaped dinette. Coming on over. QR code for your resources for this unit. Cable adjustment instructions. Nice, you got heated tanks on this. So there's our operation for our slide awning, water pump, heated tanks, awning lights, and then our regular lights, and then our readout on our tanks up above. Just in case you missed the stats at the beginning of the video, feel free to pause. Here they are right here. Moving into the kitchen. There's our sink. Hand sanitizing station. Lots of information on this unit in here, kind of jumbled together, and then solar information QR code right there. Convection microwave. Like I mentioned, 2-burner gas cooktop. Freezer. Nice large fridge. And the fridge opens up both ways, so if you're in the bathroom and you want to grab yourself a quick shower beer or even a shower snack, you can definitely do that. Battery disconnect hangs out right below the fridge. And before I jump into the bathroom here, we'll get a look at that U-shaped dinette, another exit window right here. And then there's a lot of packages on this here, so I'm going to hover over real quick here, but definitely feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more knowledge on what comes on this unit here. Looks like a rave in this camper right now because I got the battery disconnect on and the lights are flickering just a little bit here. Construction quality here. I wish the GoPro would focus just a little bit more, but hopefully you guys that are watching can get some information. And of course, I'd be happy to cover all of this in person as well. Perfect. Moving into the bathroom. There's our thermostat right here. Nice big bathroom, plenty of room to walk around in, plenty of room to, you know, 2 people if you guys get ready for bed. You know, for the night you're not going to be cramped for space. Nice large mirror with my beautiful face. Plenty of space in here in the medicine cabinet. Some outlets in here, or a outlet in here. Lots of room on the sink. A little bit more storage down below if you want. There's our toilet, and we do have a large shower. And then right up above my head, we do have our fan right up above, let some of that moisture out. And then my back is towards the bathroom, so we'll get another look when I close the door behind me of kind of the kitchen, the dinette, and the bed. Cute little floor plan. Great for couples. And that'll do it. So that's going to do it on this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Again, my name's Nate from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. All my information is going to be in the description box below. If you want to set up an appointment with me to take a look at this unit in person, I'm happy to help you. Happy to help answer any questions. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And again, this is Nate over at Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Thanks again everybody. We'll see you in the next one.